Hi everyone! Thank you so much for joining me on another Maniology Live. I'm Tiana, and I know this looks a little different. I don't have nail items in front of me, but I'm gonna jump into that very soon. So, okay. Are you full of manicure ideas, or do you have a way to jot down those creative ideas? What about pre-planning your next manicure? Or do you have a place to showcase your ideas that you can refer to them later? If you answered any of those questions, or if any of them apply to you, then you're in the right live. And today I am going to share with you two ways or two new tools you can use to plan your next manicure, to create your new manicures, or if you're just like me and have creative overload, you can just have a place to lay down your thoughts and ideas that you can refer to later. And also the best part is that it's free, and I'm going to show you how to get them at the very end of this video. So stick around. And I'm going to start with the first two templates to help you plan, create, and inspire. So here is our nail art planner, and this fail-proof layout allows you to organize and illustrate your manicure ideas. So as you can see, maybe let's not look at the first one. You'll notice today's theme, second time's a charm. So, but I want to show you this because this is part of the creative process. Sometimes you may have an idea and it doesn't work out, and that's okay. So today, my second idea is a little bit more what I was going for. So this particular template, it has sections for you to fill out, your color palette. You can add, your plate numbers, which is perfect if you have multiple plates. In this case, I just was working with one design. And also the different nail art tools you'll need. So if you are a pre-planner, you want to see what your design looks like, then you can use this tool to kind of map out your design. I actually stamped directly onto this page so I can see what the technique looks like. Here is actually a nail polish color that I just used to paint the template. And I did the same down here as well. So I stamped using our anniversary plate, and it has all these really cute floral designs. And you can write down any type of notes that you want. And the best thing about this is that, whether you fold it up, however you decide to organize yourself, you could also put this in a 3-ring binder by just punching holes too. If you don't have that, you can put this in like one of those clear sheets, just so you have something to refer to later. So there is the nail art planner. And the second template, again, as you can see, the first design didn't really work out. But this is our nail art journal. So if you are a visual person like me and you really want to see your design, of course you still have area to write notes, but you can really see what the design is going to look like on your tips. So here you can just see that I painted on the tips because I really wanted to see the color, and I just stamped this design. So this one actually says aloha going across, and again, I used our anniversary plate because I couldn't pass up that design. It was super, super cute. And it has some really beautiful, I think those are like ulu plants, just a little bit of Hawaiian culture on there. Some of our Hawaiian plants. It's really beautiful. So if you're into all that ornate design, we do have that plate available too. But basically these two tools, if you really want to see what your design is going to look like before you go through the process of creating your nail design, then these templates are super awesome. Okay, so now I'm sure you guys are wondering, where do you find these templates? Well, right here we are looking at my computer screen, and I'm on the Maniology website. So here, just on the home page, maniology.com, you're going to go into About, and under How to Stamp, you're going to see at the very bottom it says Free Nail Art Templates. And here's the page. So we have many different options depending on what your nail shape is. So if you have oval nails, squoval nails, short nails, round nails, square nails, we have so many different options. So let me just click into one of them. Okay, so here is a printable PDF for you to go ahead and just print out. This is the short nail option. And there you go. You can print out as many as you want. Like I said, they're completely free. And this is just another tool to kind of help you along your creative nail art journey. And then also, if you're looking for that template that has the bigger nail beds, you want to see a lot more of your design, then go ahead and print out the nail art journal. We offer the same amount of, or the same type of nail shapes. So here you just go ahead, if we're going to go to short nails, I'll just click that. And there you go. Here's your printable PDF template. Okay. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. I hope you guys use this and you find this very helpful. And please also share with us too how you decide to use these templates. And if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and continue to keep putting them down in the video. We will go ahead and answer them throughout the week. And yeah, don't forget to tune in with us. So Maniology Live is a video segment that Devon and I do each Tuesday at 1:30. We discuss nail art, nail stamping, and also nail techniques and tricks. So don't miss out. And if I have no more questions, I just want to say goodbye. Thank you so much for joining me. Be safe and be kind, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.